Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Singh and today I'm going to show you my NLP chatbot with speech output. It take your text as input, understand the natural language and then produce the speech output. Let's deep dive to the code for better understanding. We first install the basic libraries that we will be using to build this chatbot. First we install the NLTK, that is Natural Language Toolkit, then gTTS, that is Google Text to Speech, and IPY widgets, that is for displaying and for audio. Then we install the basic libraries. After being installing the basic libraries, we then import the necessary submodules that library contain. For example, from NLTK tokenize, we import the word tokenize. Tokenization is like splitting words into small tokens, that is smaller words. For bigger text, it converts that to smaller tokens. Then from IPY widget, we install we import audio and display. Here you can see from example I have given chatbots are helpful, which are being tokenized as each single alphabet like C, H, A, T, etc. Afterwards, we install the pre-data for NLTK. That is, first we install the Puncti. Puncti is it used to split the words. And second, we use the stopword. It it stores all the. Okay. So what Pankti does, it split the word. Okay. For example, similar to tokenization, it also help in splitting the words. Then we download the stopword. It store all the English alphabet. That for now we will be using English. So we only store the English alphabet here. Then we define the chatbot properties, like how chatbot respond to you. For voice language, it will be using like English US. We can also use like English Indian, English Australian, or English UK. It totally depends on the user. The speed is being false here so that it will more like uh, produce a natural tone. Then below we define a function called get response. It is a simple rule based response function. For now we have hard coded the whole response here, that because we cannot like for basic purpose build something large. So I have hard coded here for basic understanding. Here uh, it take user input, and that user input being converted to lower cases. Every user input is being converted to lower cases so that our model does not get confused. And then token, as said, token is like dividing our sentences into words or like alphabets. So it will divide the user input into smaller tokens. Then the filter token variable will see all the like necessary items like in the stopword we have like defined above. What it does is it search for the keywords. If the keyword is in stopword, it will search it and then return to the output. For example, we have used hello, so it will respond with hello. How can I help you today? Then we have made the speech function, that is what bot actually work on. So here we have like imported the voice language which we have defined above here, that is English US. Then TTS, the Google text to speech works here. It will convert the text that respond will the that chatbot will generate, and that converted to the speech. Here the user have taken the input. Here we are taking the user input, that is while we are using the while loop so that it will keep running until the user have entered something. And then we have used the bot response variable to get the user response. See, the get response function is been called here from here, get response. And then speech function is finally called with bot variable language and thus all the properties that are being included. If I write NLP,
NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a smart and
so as you can see, the bot respond to the speech output as I have entered NLP. Here's the full logic behind how we can create chatbot for speech output. That's it. Thank you for watching.